What's up, everyone? Glad to have you back. Glad to have had you here. There we go. All right, so glad to have had you with me for this event. Things are settling down. Data Innovation 2022 has come, and it is now over. We have events to look forward to in the future, but this one really has kicked things off in a pretty amazing way. You know, things have been closed down since COVID, and the there we go, is that one. The production on this event has been absolutely phenomenal, and I think the quality has absolutely matched it. This field is growing like I think very few people predicted. The buzz here is both relief from, you know, having been working in the caves for 2 years, but also seeing these technologies come into their own right and starting to produce value and become mature. It's no longer an exercise for the nerds that you know, unwillingly are working together with the business. A lot of the engineers that started off with this 5 years ago are now the people that are running these initiatives. And the business people that started off perhaps not thinking of themselves as IT people or as AI people, as it were, are now, you know, thinking data first and all of the principles that we've been talking about. I've hammered home a couple of times here that there are these terms that pop up and, you know, after 1 or 2 years they become reality. We've been seeing data mesh, data grid, and all that kind of stuff become relevant now. And then there are some terms that we're lifting up here that will become reality in 2 to 5 years. So all the people and processes that are a part of the technologies that we're seeing now really are just an indication that best practices are in fact best practices, and for certain things we're not just inventing things as we go along, and for other things we're still inventing, and that's sort of the nature of technology. My prediction is that, again, I'm going to lean into graphs, or the more general case of it, geometric stuff is going to become big in 1 to 2 years. And in terms of the technology that we see, hybrid solutions, hybrid cloud, hybrid on-premise, that's going to be a big thing. And foundational models, in other words, models that can do more than one thing, that's going to be divided into the organizations that know how to capitalize them and those that don't. So, you know, if you're the kind of organization that's investing 10% of your turnover into innovation, new growth, and that kind of thing, you should be looking into foundational models, how you can capitalize on them, and geometric deep learning. And that's my suggestion. All right, I hope you got to take away a lot of things from the panels, from the tech reviews, and from the other sessions that were shown here today. Thank you. I'm signing out for now. You'll see me again at Nordic Machine Learning and Data Science Summit later this fall. And we're going to have a couple of closing words here very shortly, so stay tuned. See you guys around in the ether.